Hello students, today will we discuss about the essay. The book I like the most. Okay, आज हम बुक के बारे में बात करेंगे. There are lakhs of books in the world. Thousands of books come out every year. Some of them are technical and professional books. Many of them are general books. Such books have a value for a fixed time only. There are some books which are for all times. Such books are called classics. In the world literature, there are few dozens of books which may be treated as classics. The Mahabharata, Ramcharitmanas, Ramayana, the epics of Homer and Virgil. Okay, first topic हमारा the choice of books. The play of Euripides and Sophocles, the play of William Shakespeare, are the masterpiece in the world literature. The choice of books from the world literature depends on one's taste, experience, and maturity of mind. However, there are some books which are liked and admired by all. Such a book is the Ramcharitmanas, composed by the renowned poet Tulsidas. Okay. First, story of the book. The Ramcharitmanas is an epic, a long narrative poem about the life of legendary hero Ram. Even before Tulsidas, a number of epics were written on the life of Ram in various Indian languages. The story of the Ramcharitmanas is based on Valmiki's Ramayana and other Indian epics on the life of Ram. Tulsidas has borrowed many things from various sources and presented them in the language spoken by his country folks. The story of Ram is narrated by Lord Shiva to his wife Parvati. He tells her that Lord Vishnu incarnated in the human form of Ram to punish the victim. To protect the virtuous and saintly people, he was born in the family of King Dashrath. He was trained to archery. Muni Vishwamitra took him and his younger brother Lakshman with him to the forest, where sands and seeds. But put to trouble by the wicked people, Ram killed all of them. Then he went to Mithila in the company of his teacher. He broke the vow and married Sita, the daughter of King Janak. When Ram was going to be crowned, he was banished to the forest for 14 years. He passed his time in a forest along with his wife and younger brother. When his wife was taken away Why Ravan? The king of Lanka, he mounted an attack on his enemy. He defeated him with the help of Hanuman, Sugriv and Angad and restored his wife. He offered the kingdom of Lanka to the younger brother of Ravan and come back to Ayodhya where he was made king. Next step, silent features of the book. This epic is divided in 7 cantos. The first canto deals with the childhood of Ram and his younger brothers. The second canto is the story of the happenings in Ayodhya. The third canto deals with the moments of Ram, his wife and his younger brother in the forest. Okay. The fourth canto tells us how Ram entered into a treaty with Sugriv to find out his stolen wife. The fifth canto describes the search of Sita undertaken by Hanuman. The sixth canto describes the battle between Sita undertaken by Hanuman. And the sixth canto describes the battle between Ram and Ravan for the restoration of Sita. The seventh and last canto describes the return of Ram to Ayodhya. देखिए यह है रामचरितमानस। इसमें पूरी स्टोरी राम जी के जन्म से लेकर एंड रावण के डेथ तक इसमें दिखाई गई है कि वो किस तरीके से स्ट्रगल करते हैं और वो सीता को वापस लेके आते हैं और वापस अयोध्या आते हैं। उन्होंने पूरी कहानी इसमें लिख रखी है। तो ये जो है फेवरेट बुक ये भी हो सकती है या अदर बुक्स भी कोई भी फेवरेट बुक्स हो सकती है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है इट्स लैंग्वेज। इसकी क्या लैंग्वेज है इसके बारे में बताया है। ओके, इसमें 7 कैंटोस में लिखी गई है ये बुक कि फर्स्ट कैंटोस में क्या होता है, सेकंड में, थर्ड में, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ एंड सेवंथ लास्ट। ओके, नेक्स्ट है इट्स लैंग्वेज। These 7 cantos are composed in quatrains and couplets. The entire epic is set in the colloquial language. Though the language is simple, yet it is figurative, lofty, sweet, and musical. The lines set in quatrains and couplets can be easily sung. The book is so simple that it can be read, appreciated, and enjoyed by both laymen and scholars. It is because of simplicity and literary qualities that the book is very popular. Okay. नेक्स्ट है ए रिलीजियस बुक। ये क्या है, एक धार्मिक पुस्तक है। दिस एपिक इज रीड ऑल ओवर द कंट्री विद अ कीन इंटरेस्ट। ए कॉपी ऑफ दिस बुक इज फाउंड इन एवरी हिंदू होम। सिंस इट इज अ रिलीजियस बुक, it is regarded as a holy book of the Hindu. The Hindus regard Lord Ram as a deity. This book contains the teachings and sermons of saints and saints like Valmiki, Bharadwaj and Atri. Next is social and family values of the book. This book is rich in social and family values. It teaches us the virtue of sacrifice, love, and respect. The sacrifice of Ram, Bharat, Lakshman is unique. The life of Ram is a source of inspiration for all of us. His life teaches us the qualities of dutifulness, truth, compassion, and obedience. Ram embraced the poor and the downtrodden. He regenerated men and women like Nishad, Ahilya, Savri. He brought goodwill, peace, and prosperity to all. Next its popularity. This epic is perhaps the most popular book in India. Thousands of copies of this book are sold every year. This book has a universal appeal on account of its eternal social, ethical, and spiritual values.